How to wear hearing aids correctly. The hearing aid automatically turns on after leaving the warehouse. After automatic power on, the hearing aid will delay 15 seconds to start. There are 4 volume gears in total. Note, keep fingers away from the pickup holes. Click the button to cycle through the volume. 3 ways to solve whistling. Method 1. You can replace earplugs that fit the size of your ear canal. Prevent whistling caused by wearing it that does not fit the ear canal. Method 2. In the power on state, press and hold the button for 5's manual shutdown. Wear with the hearing aid turned off. After wearing it correctly, press and hold the button for 5 seconds to turn it on manually. Prevents whistling caused by not being able to wear it within 15ths. Method 3. Put the hearing aid back in the charging compartment and wait 15ths. After interrupting the signal interference, try wearing it again. Wear your hearing aids correctly during this period.